Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to organize layer in Illustrator. Let's see. Click Window tab, Edit Layers or press F7 on your keyboard. Then create a new layer, Inserted shape, and again create a new layer or use this layer as you wish. Again create a new layer, hold click, then use OK. Then rename the layer name, double click, shape 3, lock layer, unlock layer, and drag down, see this down, and organize layer, select or hold control, select layer as you wish, right click, group or join, example group, see this group layers or organize layer, ungroup, right click, ungroup. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.